When I bought these two vacuums, I thought this comparison would be close, but it only took one cleaning for me to realize it wasn't even a fair fight. I've been comparing the Narwal Freo Z10 and the Dreame L50 Ultra in the most honest way possible by letting them loose in my crumb-filled, kid-filled, dog-filled, sock-filled, cord-filled home. And I'll tell you right now, these two robots behave very differently in real life than they do on their spec sheets. Before I get into the chaos they went up against, let me give you a quick overview so the rest makes sense. The Z10 has 15,000 PA suction and these triangular spinning mops that look awesome on paper. The Dreame L50 Ultra claims 19,500 PA suction, and it has an extending mop arm and this little extending corner cleaning brush to get all those edges and corners. Both of them come with self-empty, self-wash stations, and both of them have more than enough battery to clean my entire 1,000 square foot main floor without even getting close to low power. Now, let's talk about what actually happened when they had to face my floors. When it came to vacuuming, the Narwal Z10 was honestly kind of disappointing. It was spotty, like noticeably spotty. I'm talking crumbs basically everywhere, even on its highest suction level. Even when I ran it a few times hoping it would learn the layout better, it still didn't pick up nearly as well as I wanted. Now, it didn't do nothing. It picked up some mess. It just left crumbs all along its cleaning path, which is kind of a bummer. The Dreame L50 did better. Not perfect, still left some crumbs behind, but definitely better. And that extending corner brush is super effective. It pulled a surprising amount of debris out of corners that the Narwal didn't even touch. Now mopping. This is where they both shine. Both of them scrub hard and get right up to the edges. The Narwal's triangular pads do a really great job, but the L50's extending mop arm just reaches a little bit farther and gets right up to the edge and into spots the Narwal can't quite hit. I would honestly trust either one for mopping, but the Dreame has a tiny edge here. Obstacle avoidance. Okay, this part blew me away. The Dreame L50 Ultra is probably the best obstacle avoidance I've tested so far. It avoided every single thing I threw at it. Socks, cords, shoes, even a random Go Fish card that every other robot in my house has immediately rolled over like it didn't exist. The L50 saw it, paused, thought about it, and then gracefully avoided it. The Narwal Z10 did not share this ability. It struggled with socks. It really struggled with my crisscross chair legs, which are basically kryptonite for robot vacuums. Most robots get confused by them, try to go over the top of them, or just stop, but the L50 handled them almost perfectly. The Narwal got stuck, paused, bumped, hesitated, tried again, and eventually gave up. Now the stations. The Narwal station looks cooler, more compact with a really nice design. But the Dreame station is the powerhouse. Bigger dust bags, stronger mop washing, hotter drying, and just more customizable. The Narwal is prettier, but if you like having control over your cleaning cycles, the Dreame gives you more tools to work with. The Dreame also has a way more customizable app. The Narwal app is about the most basic one I've tried, and I've tried almost all the major robot vacuum apps. Now, the Dreame wasn't perfect. For some reason, it could not figure out this doormat and kept going around it instead of over, and it got a little confused at this threshold between my hard floor and carpet. But overall, there was absolutely no contest. The Dreame blew the Narwal out of the water, and I'm so impressed by its obstacle avoidance, I'm willing to overlook its less than perfect vacuum performance. There are links in the description if you want to check these out. They're affiliate links, so if you use them, I make a small commission at no cost to you. Thanks for the support. Like and subscribe for more product reviews.